Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hotspot in Samsung Galaxy S22. So the fastest way to turn off our hotspot is to swipe from the top again, and here we have our hotspot shortcut. Tap it once and now our hotspot is turned off. Of course, if we want to do it in a more complicated way or in a different way, we need to go to settings, connections, and here we have mobile hotspot. And here it is, mobile hotspot. The same function, turn it off by tapping, and now our hotspot is off. Here we have our options. We can change passwords or network name if you want to. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.